Hi, I'm Jordan. Sometimes small changes can affect your fridge's performance. Here are some tips in order to increase the efficiency and prolong the life of your unit. Before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our fridge. Your model might look different. However, these tips can apply to any fridge appliance. If you store your fridge in a small, narrow space, the cooler air that is required, which replaces the warmer air, will cause an overheating buildup, making the fridge's compressor to work extra harder. The compressor constricts the refrigerator vapor, raising the pressure and pushing it through the coils, located on the outside of the fridge. These coils eliminate heat from the compressor. It is important to keep the fridge's coils clean from any debris or dust, which increases the effort of the compressor in order to cool off the food in your fridge. A great way to clean your coils is using a brush. This is our appliance cleaning brush. If you don't have one of these brushes already, you can find them on our online store. Now all you have to do is take the brush, place it in between the fan blades, and just clean it out. In order to cool moist air, the compressor on your fridge will increase its energy output, so it's important when covering any food that is stored inside. The amount of moisture for the compressor will decrease. Having a warm fridge could allow your food to become spoiled and unsafe to eat. However, having a fridge that is too cold can also ruin your food. Unfortunately, this may leave you with wasted groceries and wasted energy. It is recommended to keep your main foods in a compartment between 37 degrees and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and your freezer at about 5 degrees Fahrenheit in order to keep proper temperature efficiency. Check the door seals if they are damaged, torn, or ripped. Having a damaged seal could allow room temperature into your fridge, warming the inside of your appliance, which can affect the articles inside. Be sure to fix your seals or contact a professional. To maximize your fridge's efficiency, keep your fridge at a gap of about 6 inches or more from the wall. Remember, the more space you have from the walls, the better your fridge is. Leaving your fridge door open allows the heat from your room that you're in to enter through. Even with a small amount of heat, your fridge's compressor has to increase its performance. Avoid opening your fridge frequently and make a quick selection. Always use a rag with soapy water and keep the inside of your fridge clean. And always remember to keep everything inside cool and fresh in order to avoid spoiling. Cold items keep other items cool. Having a well-stocked fridge allows the temperature to properly regulate. Also, avoid overstuffing your fridge in order to allow the cool air to properly regulate the articles inside. Avoid keeping hot items inside when placing hot foods inside. The heat from your item will emit into your fridge, allowing warm air inside, which again will increase the performance of your compressor, which will waste electricity. Just remember to cool off any hot items before storing them inside. I would avoid placing your fridge near any range or oven appliance. Having your fridge located to your oven can warm up the fridge as the heat is being produced from the unit. Also, keep your fridge away from any direct sunlight, as the same process can happen. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us to create these free videos for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, and share. And if you really like our video, please subscribe down below.